How to lock apps on Oppo A3x. So it is a simple way. You can select on setting, tap on it, and then you can tap on security and privacy, tap on it, and you can scroll until you find app locks. You can tap on it, and the first step you can enable on this feature, and you can set a privacy password first. You can tap on setting, and in this option actually you can select any type of password. You can select on pattern, maybe you can select the 4-digit number, and in this option I want to select on pattern only. And just for example, I want to make the pattern like this, and then reply to confirm. And step 2, in this security question you can select on option. You can select any option. What do you want? Maybe mother's name, father's name, and in this option I want to select on name of your high school. I just want to select this option, tap on it, and you can tap your school. Okay, maybe just like this. You can tap on checklist, and the last step you just select any apps. What do you want to lock? And for example, I want to lock Google Play Store app. Tap on it, and PUBG mobile game, maybe just like this, and you can tap on go home. So if you want to open this app, you need to draw the pattern or the pin or the password. Okay guys, just like this, the tutorial how to lock apps on Oppo A3x. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.